Now we are going to start the demo video for our electro-pneumatic calibration bench. In this bench we have connected this compressor through a pneumatic pipe, which you can see is going to the back of the panel, and that goes through these 12 input pressure valves. In these pressure valves, the working is as such that their 3 valves are connected to a precision pressure reducer. Now, the work of the precision pressure reducer goes something like this. Like if I have given full pressure here, let me first start the pressure from this side. The on is towards parallel to the pipe. Now I'll first give pressure to our pressure reducer. I will just put it on the top. We have opened the valve from this lever, turning it towards the parallel to the pipe. Now, as you can see here, this is my pressure reducer with a precision output. So the output is coming in on this voltmeter. This is the output of the voltage. Now you can see that as I am reducing the output here, you can see a linear change. For like 2 it is 1.9. So you can see the pressure and linear change in the voltage, which can also be seen in the current for the pressure reducer output. Now coming to the next valve, these are my simple pressure valves. Now you have to make one thing sure, that the pressure of the output gas is very delicate. So you have to make sure that you only release a small amount of pressure. Similar goes for our differential manometer. In this we will give you an extra liquid so that you can fill it again and again, because in transport it will spill out. So this will be removed, and this is how you need to connect it again. These are the inputs for the manometer, and the outputs need to be open. That needs to be made sure. So to measure the pressure, like for now the pressure here is coming through this valve. So I'll just open this pressure, and if I give too much pressure, it will blow out. So I need to make sure that I am releasing the pressure slowly, and you can see the pressure here moving. So you need to make sure that the pressure release is very light if you want to measure through the manometer. Now these are our pressure valves connected with precision output. Now coming to the other aspect of the trainer kit, there is a variable output voltage. This is my variable output AC. You can just use this multimeter in AC settings. Like here in 750, you can check here the output. It goes from 0 to 226. Now I'll just reduce that. And here we have our fixed DC output 048, 028 volt, and this is our 12 volt. You can just go to the DC settings here and check the voltages respectively. If you want to turn off the supply, just turn it off and it will not show you the output. Next come these two relays. This is relay 1 and relay 2. These two are controlled by this. For this top relay we have this on and off, and for the bottom relay we have this on and off. In one mode any one of it will be working as output. Then we have our output meters, voltmeters, 2 voltmeters, 2 ammeters, and 2 temperature. This is my thermocouple and RTD. This is my 3-wire thermocouple and this is my RTD. And to simulate the temperature, you just have to connect these 2 wires on this MCB, turn this on. This will turn on the meter, the heater, and it will heat the element through which you can get the output of the temperature.